Hiya, James Braithwaite here. How you doing? I have been copying a sort of Facebook and internet phrase, but I've taken my own spin on it. I have been planking. The reason for this is to prepare for all the woodwork projects I plan to do in the near future. There's a lot more pallet planks where this came from, so I'm going to pick some up and get them all sorted. I've just been taking all the nails out and cutting them down. I've also been prying the pallet apart before this. I couldn't really cut them down where they were, but it's a good thing actually. I've got a lovely good quality wood. Alright, so these nails are pretty much chocolate fire guards now. They're all rusted to hell. So right, all I have to do is put it back in my shed and jobs are good in. I'll sand and plane them when I'm at the folks' place because I don't have a vice or a workbench here. Okay, I shall see you in the next one. Bye.